Hi, I'm James from Xline, and today I'm just going to talk you through today's van install. So the customer's opted to have a 750 litre tank in this brand new Vauxhall Vivaro-E fully electric van. So the customer's opted for the 750 litre fully automated auto fill and flush RO system. It's got the twin operated pump system on there, so 2 pumps and controllers. This system is operated by a 110 amp leisure battery, which is wired up on a split relay charging system, so that when the customer charges his vehicle at night, it automatically charges the system battery up there also. There's waterproof van floor rhino lining, makes it completely waterproof, and then we've put these external roller guides on there, 2 going through the floor and 2 on the underside of the bumper. He's gone for the manual 700 series reels. They've got this little lock-off system on the side to stop them from opening and closing. And then we've removed the bar because we've installed it onto the raised reel platforms on there. And because we've fixed it to that raised reel platform, we've been able to remove that bar so that the customer has got a free reign of the hose going straight down through the floor. It's got the external stainless steel van port plates on there. And then we've got 3 of the pole secure tubes, the solid tubes suspended from the ceiling of the van, so he can house his poles and slide his poles in and out. So if you're considering an electric vehicle as your next vehicle purchase and you need a little bit of advice, please give us a call. We'll happily talk you through the different options. Thanks for watching.